Nobody is coming to save your idea, and that's the best news you'll ever hear. Let's start with the truth. Nobody in the entrepreneurship industry wants to say out loud. The overwhelming probability is that no investor will ever give you a single dollar for your idea. Not because your idea is bad, not because you lack passion, but because the entire structure of professional investment is designed to say no repeatedly, systematically, and without apology to almost everyone who walks through the door. Fewer than 1% of startups that pitch to venture capital firms receive funding. Approximately 300 business plans land on the average VC's desk every year, and that firm will fund between 1 and 3 of them. Angel investors reject roughly 90% of pitches they receive after initial review. The Founder Institute reports that even well-prepared, coached, and mentored founders face rejection rates exceeding 95% when approaching early-stage investors. These are not discouraging outliers. They are the baseline reality of seeking external funding in America. The banks are no different. They are simply more honest about their reasoning. A bank will not lend you $150,000 to start a business based on your vision and your spreadsheet. They will, however, lend you $400,000 to buy a house with minimal scrutiny beyond a credit score check. The logic is straightforward. A mortgage is a financial product the bank controls completely. Over 30 years, that $400,000 mortgage returns nearly double in total payments. The bank does not need to believe in your dream. They need collateral. A business idea has none. Banks are not in the business of funding innovation. They are in the business of guaranteed return, and an unproven business is the opposite of that. This is where Keyman Insurance becomes the most overlooked tool available to any serious founder. Keyman Insurance is a policy taken out by a business on its founder, with the business named as the beneficiary, protecting the enterprise against losing the person whose skills and vision power the entire operation. For a founder still employed while building, Keyman Insurance signals something critical to future partners and lenders: that the business is serious enough to protect itself against its own single point of failure. Beyond signaling, it provides real financial continuity. If the founder dies or becomes incapacitated before the business reaches self-sufficiency, the policy proceeds can cover operations and provide the runway needed to survive the loss. It is one of the cheapest forms of credibility a founder can purchase and one of the most ignored. The most actionable advice hiding inside all of this is the one the entrepreneurial content industry has the least financial incentive to give. Keep your job. Not forever, not without intention. But while you're building, while your idea is still unproven, while your customer base is still hypothetical, a reliable paycheck is the most powerful asset you have. That paycheck is your runway. It is the funding round that doesn't dilute your equity, demand a board seat, or disappear when market sentiment shifts. It is unconditional capital that allows you to build without desperation. And desperation is the single most destructive force in early-stage business development. A founder who pitches from desperation telegraphs it in every conversation. Investors can smell the urgency of someone who needs the deal more than they wanted, and they price accordingly, or they pass entirely. A founder who pitches while employed negotiates from confidence that changes every dynamic in the room. Build in the evenings, build on weekends, validate your idea with real customers before seeking $1 of external capital. Generate your first revenue before writing your first investor deck. Prove the model works before asking anyone else to believe it will. When the evidence is strong enough that a reasonable person looking at the numbers would struggle to argue against it, you will approach investors from demonstrated competence rather than hopeful speculation. Nobody is coming to save your idea. That is not a reason to quit. It is the most clarifying truth available to any serious founder. Because the moment you stop waiting for permission and start building anyway, with a paycheck covering your rent and Keyman Insurance protecting your progress, everything changes.